Hey, what is up guys? Welcome to Fix It Felix. Today we have this 2012 Dodge Avenger. I'm going to be replacing the headlights, the bulb. I'm going to install the LED one. It's this one right here. Let me show you. 9006 HB4 LED. In order to install this, I mean, you can install it just the way it is right here, but you will get some problems, like the headlight will be flickering or turning off and on. So you will need this right here. It's canvas. You just have to make sure you get the one you need. This is to stop it from flickering or to turn off. So let me show you how it looks. Click on this one right here. So it's the same connection as this. I'll be putting a link down below, you know, if you want to buy both of them. So link will be down below on the description, and let me show you how to install it. All right, the one on the passenger side is going to be the hard one to get off, but it's pretty easy. You put your hand from here, and this is what we're going to be working on. Okay, so it's right here. So just turn and pull, and it comes out. Okay, and now right here, I'm doing this with one hand, so it will be easier for you. You have to pull this up and then pull it out. There, it comes out. And focus. Now, don't put this one yet. Just be careful so you don't break it. We have to install this one first, the canvas. Right here. Now, I don't know why, but for me, I have to install it like this, not like this. I don't know why. If I install it like this, it doesn't work. So let me show you. You see, I mean, the normal thing to do here is to install it like this, but it doesn't work for me. I don't know why. It doesn't turn on. But once I install it like this, it does turn on. So let me show you. You install this one, and then you can install this part right here. And just right now you can turn on the headlights just to see if it turns on. Okay, and you see it did turn on. Off. All right, and now it will be easy to install this. You gotta fish the cables. Be careful. So all right, we're gonna go from here, and there it is. Right there, and then just turn. And that's about it. And this cable, you can just throw it somewhere back. You can use these zip lines to attach it somewhere so it don't move, somewhere around there. So let me turn on the headlights and see how they look. All right, I mean, already it's a big difference. Boring old yellow light, very nice LED. You see bright white. All right, I'm going to be replacing this one as well and show you before and after. To remove this one, it's really easy. Put your hand around here and just turn and pull. Really simple. Again, you need two hands to remove this one. I'm doing it with one because I'm holding the phone. Let me see if I can. Let me do it with both hands. Okay, really easy. And we're gonna follow the same instructions. Install this, and then the LED. Okay, so it's supposed to look like this. Let me show you. This should be on this side. This should be like this. And before you put it in, test it out. There, it turns on. Okay. And now we're going to put it back in. Super simple. This is the easiest one. So again, put it around here. Right there. And again, you can use the zippy lines to put this somewhere. And that's pretty much it. Let me turn on the lights and see how it looks. And boom. Wow, that's nice. If you don't install the canvas, this one, the one that came on this bag, you'll see that the lights are will start flickering, turning off. Then the other one will turn off and starts flickering. But look, once you install the canvas, everything looks nice, no flickering, nothing is turning off. So I'm really happy, it looks really good. I'm gonna wait for the day to become night and then I'll show you how it looks in the dark. All right, this is the way it looks, the way the car comes with the normal headlights. Look, that's the way it looks normal. Now I'm gonna show you the after with the HID lights on. This is the after. It's a really big difference. Look, that's nothing, it's off. Now that's on, off, on. It's amazing. It looks really, really good. This is the way it looks during the night. It looks really good. I'm really happy the way it looks. It looks way, way better than before. Way better. And you can see a lot. So alright guys, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If it helped you, let me know down below in the comments. Again, I'll be putting the links to if you want to buy them on the description down below. I get a small commission if you end up buying it. But yeah, thanks for watching. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Peace.